Japanese bakeries offer a wide variety of bread shapes and fillings. You can find everything from classic white bread to creative products. Today, I will show you how to make melon pan.
Melon bun is a traditional Japanese sweet bun that's popular till date. Contrary to its name, the traditional recipe does not incorporate melon or its flavors. So, how did it come to be called melon bun? The answer lies in its appearance. The bun takes its name from its resemblance to an oriental melon, characterized by parallel lines on the crust. Now let's delve into the step-by-step recipe. Let us first gather all the ingredients for the melon crust: flour, sugar, butter, milk, baking powder and color. In a stand mixture bowl, add the sugar and butter. Beat until it is smooth and then add the dry ingredients and color. Continue to mix until the dough reaches full development. The cookie dough needs to be prepared in advance as we need to attach it to the bread dough. Place the cookie dough in a mold and cover it with a cling wrap. Allow the dough to cool for 30 to 60 minutes at 5 degrees Celsius. Once it is cooled, press down the cookie dough on a flat surface and knead it until it is soft. Roll the cookie dough and divide it into portions of 40 grams and store it aside. Next, let's prepare the bread dough. Gather flour, Kobo compressed fresh yeast, J-Bake bun bread improver, salt, sugar, butter and water. Combine all the ingredients and mix the dough until it is silky smooth. After preparing the dough, ensure its temperature is between 27 to 30 degrees Celsius and let it rest for 60 minutes. You can now divide the dough and roll into small portions, about 50 grams each. To shape the melon bun, place the cookie dough circle on your palm and put the bread dough ball in the middle, seam side up. Then flip them over together to show the cookie dough on top. Gently pull all sides of the cookie dough down to wrap around the bread dough. Dip the dough in the sugar and ensure it is evenly coated. Using a dough scraper or knife, gently score the cookie dough in a criss-cross pattern about 3 millimeters deep. Let the dough rise for 60 minutes at 32 degrees Celsius until it triples in size. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. Ensure the temperature is slightly lower to prevent the cookie dough from burning. Steaming hot and delicious melon buns are ready.